Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to earn Bitcoin without investment in 2021. In this video I will share with you 3 sites that you can earn Bitcoin without investment. Those sites will not make you rich, however you can earn some extra money. The first site is HoneyGain. Easy way to earn passive income. If just you scroll down, there are 5 steps to HoneyGain. First step, set up. HoneyGain can be installed on any Windows. You need to install it and device with a stable internet connection. Step 2, run HoneyGain. Step 3, let gather HoneyGain. Use your internet connection to gather bits of information. Step 4, help businesses. Step 5, get paid. And just you need to click here to download HoneyGain. This is the first site. Second site is Coinably. Over 3 million paid earn free Bitcoin. And here, turn your time into money. You need to do some basic tasks. Earn crypto by playing fun games online. Get rewards of watching videos, shopping online. And here, if you take a survey, earn from 1 to 5 for every online survey. And here, play game, complete task, watch videos, share your opinion. The third site is Timebox. And here you need also to do some basic tasks. Post on Facebook, view funny slideshow, play game, install app, complete micro task, answer survey. Just you need to sign up, click here. And then you can register either with your Facebook or email. After that, just click sign up now. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed yet. Thank you and see you.